guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Khylani, aka the Star Girl. So first gonna start off with priming your face. e.l.f. Hydrating Primer, face primer. Squirt 4 times, 4 squirts. Face. Doing our brows. First, I'm using my fave, Anastasia. Now we're going to apply our concealer around on the edges of our brows to shape them, and you know we're using Master Conceal by Maybelline. Brush, dabbing it into our concealer. Just like that. I'm going to be using the Huda Desert Dust palette, and we're going to start off with Blazing. Blazing right there. We're now going to cut the crease and take it about halfway. Cosmetics, this yellow. Just go over the orange you already have. Alright, now it's time for eyeliner. I'm going to put my lashes on. And the lashes that I'm using today, Cherry Blossom. And the eyelash glue that I use is Super Stronghold Eyelash Adhesive Black. Order this offline. Underneath my eyelids, I'm going to apply blue. NYX Ultimate shadow palette, this blue. Now we will highlight our face. For my lip, I'm just going to put some gloss on. So thank you guys for watching my makeup tutorial. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Come back for more content because it's going to get better and better from here on out. And I will be doing that Valentine's Day special, so stay tuned for that. And turn on my post notifications. And please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.